Have you ever found yourself waking up at a certain time, even though you haven't set an alarm? This could be more significant than you think.
Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I am Dr. Vanya, a researcher in the field of mental health and vibration. Every spiritual tradition, East or West, speaks about waking up as an essential part of progress on the path. Whether the goal is God, enlightenment, or the experience of bliss, it's very important then to clarify what it exactly means to wake up. In our previous videos, we've journeyed together through the transformative world of meditation, guided by the wisdom of Professor Danesh. Absolutely, the early morning hours, often referred to as the ambrosial hours, hold a special significance in many spiritual traditions. The peace and quiet moments of solitude in the early morning provide space for mindfulness and reflection, contributing to emotional balance and mental resilience in the face of life's challenges. So, are you ready to awaken your senses, rejuvenate your mind, and tap into a deeper sense of self-awareness? Stay tuned as we delve into the benefits of waking up at dawn and its positive effects on our lives.
The next issue is dawn meditation. In the day and night, we have certain times. Although time is contractual and we cannot label a time and say it is so, however, time in its progression has some beautiful moments that our nature actually loves. For example, pay attention to the time of sunrise and sunset, which has attracted the attention of many individuals from young to old, artists, photographers, and poets. These moments of sunrise and sunset hold a very important aspect in contemplation and meditation. Therefore, in this comprehensive style of meditation that we are discussing, it points out that you should not miss the dawn, do not miss the sunrise, and do not miss the period between the first light rays from the east to the complete sunrise. It seems in the laws of the universe, these times are very important and impactful. Therefore, dawn meditation is also one of those aspects that we should focus on.
Dawn is a time when pure oxygen reaches the surface of the earth, and breathing this oxygen is very beneficial for our body system. People who have the habit of getting up at dawn have a higher spiritual power and are more resistant to problems. In 2010, it was found that most people who have been able to create the habit of getting up at dawn in themselves have a higher level of life satisfaction and self-confidence. In interviews conducted with most successful people, they are awake at this golden time. People like Anthony Robbins, pioneers of success and motivational speakers, Dr. Deepak Chopra, who has written more than 40 books on spirituality to health. He says, "I wake up every morning at 4 o'clock. I meditate for 2 hours. This keeps me cheerful throughout the day." It is also famous that the material and spiritual sustenance of the universe is divided at this time. Most wealthy people are awake at these hours. Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, is famous for getting up. Bill Gates, the head of Microsoft, the world's $83 billion man, wakes up at 4:30, and thousands of others. Between the two sunrises in Indian culture is known as Brahma Muhurta. They believe that a person at this time, Brahma Muhurta, should wake up from sleep and request his full health and wishes and desires from the universe. Staying awake at these hours also helps human health. Harvard University research has shown that the likelihood of stroke for people who are asleep at these hours is higher. Also, scientists' research has proven that blood concentration decreases with getting up at dawn. People who get up at dawn are less depressed because the antidepressant hormone is secreted in the body as a result of being awake at dawn. Some people wake up automatically at this time. This is a sign of their high vibration. We have dedicated a complete video to this topic. When your vibration goes up, the universe wakes you up at this time. And the universe wants you to use this level of energy at these hours and not be asleep at those hours, and receive the special gift of the universe. Now let's go together to the depths of the Hyrcanian forests at 3:30 in the morning and listen to the tranquility of midnight and the revolutions of nature's heart from the language of Professor Danesh.
Greetings to you. It's now 3:30 in the morning and we are in the heart of dense forests while the city is behind us, 1,000 meters lower. We are preparing to report on the tranquility of the forest at midnight. Reporters all over the world go to war zones to prepare and send reports for the whole world. Today we have come to prepare a peace report. Peace in the heart of the forest, tranquility at midnight, from moment to moment sunrise, and revolutions that happen in the heart of nature. We want to prepare a report for you. Stay with us. Peace Central Unit Reporter, the heart of the Hyrcanian forests, 3 a.m. This is the heart of the forest, and naturally around us there are thousands and millions of living creatures, animals, insects, birds, but no sound other than the gentle breeze, and occasionally the howl of a wolf is heard more. This tranquility in the noisy and chaotic world teaches us many points that we need to perceive about the secrets of dawn and midnight. This is the city, and we are now in the depths of the forest. This is also a view of a rural cottage that is resting in absolute silence and tranquility. As you can see, everywhere is quiet, everywhere is calm, and everywhere is nature. The sky is also the center of the stars. Let's listen to the sound of nature a bit. At midnight, absolute silence, tranquility, the breeze blowing, while millions of living creatures, animals, insects, and birds are around us. But the secret of dawn is its silence, so that perhaps a conscious human being at midnight wakes up from sleep and perceives the secret of dawn. Everything is waiting for the start of a revolution at dawn. A revolution for a new day and for new events and movements. The time is about a few minutes at the end of midnight, and the morning is slowly showing signs of it, and still from the people who are in the heart of this forest, no movement is seen. But nature is doing its job, and the wind is inviting everyone to a new event in a new sunrise. Dawn has arrived, and yet there is no sign of waking up. Getting up at dawn in a small village that is in the forest. Birds are slowly waking up and earning their day, and people, because they watch TV until late, listen to the news, do not get up in the morning. Perhaps one of the reasons our villages are so weak is because people have lost the virtue of understanding dawn. Well, we feel the first effects of the dawn from the east of the forest. The stars have also faded and are less seen in the sky. When the sun comes, the stars hide, in respect of the sun. The first sign we have of the onset of dawn here is the sound of a rooster that is next to this village that is located next to the forest, and gradually the sound of birds, the sound of livestock, and the sound of villagers is slowly heard. This is the same view that was seen in the dark a few minutes ago, and this is the guard dog that is resting after a long night of work, and this is a horse that is preparing itself for a busy day next to this place. The working season has started, and the villagers take the sheep to the forest to graze.
This is the beginning of entering the process of the day and the process of rising. But in relation to the night, Jalaluddin Muhammad Balkhi Rumi, O moon, on such a night, do not sleep in oblivion. Come into orbit like the spinning wheel. Do not sleep. Our wakefulness is the light of the world. For one night, keep the lamp burning. Do not sleep. Sleeping, when we reach dawn, its file is closed, and what existence expects from us is wakefulness, waking up and getting ready for the celebration of sunrise. O heart, for a few nights until dawn, do not sleep. In the absence of the sun, like the moon, do not sleep. How does the bucket make its way in this darkness? Perhaps you will come to the top of the well. Do not sleep. According to Rumi, if you want to come out of a dark well, be prepared for them to pull that bucket up, and for once, go from the well of night darkness into the sunrise. Also, Rumi says, "Why have you stuck to the earth like wet clay?" After all, movement is the key to blessings. Movement is a very, very important element that is born from within dawn. Dawn is no movement. Everything is in peace, and a very good opportunity for your attention to yourself, for your attention to God, for your attention to your surroundings. This tranquility of dawn is a very great gift, and continues, leads to sunrise. It is in the sunrise that movement begins. First with the sound of a rooster, then with the flight of a few early birds, then with the sound of animals, and then with the sound of people. The wheel of existence actually falls into the wheel, and the daily sustenance is divided. Harvard University psychologists found that people spend approximately 47% of their waking hours immersed in thought. This constant mental wandering is a direct cause of distress. After all, you rely on your mind for many things every day. You owe your mind, so you need to find time for meditation so you can have a perception of the present moment. I hope you understand these moments and sweet experiences. I am very grateful for your presence in the video. Until the next video, be in complete peace and a calm mind. If you want to control the mental conversation or are looking for more peace, be sure to watch these videos that I put at the end of this video for you. Be successful and victorious.
Danesh Media Update Idea.